Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is basically widely used and also considered an essential ingredient in pastry making. You can see it used in most baked goods like cakes, cookies, custards, ice creams, and puddings. However, vanilla extracts on the market sometimes do include additives, preservatives, synthetic flavors, or sugar. Therefore, it is not as recommended to be used in home baking. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 2 vanilla beans and 350 grams of Worker. You may substitute the Worker with rum if you like. I personally like to use Worker. This is the Worker I normally use. Like most, its alcohol consumption is about 40%. So usually, I will put the splitted vanilla beans directly into the Worker bottle. There is no need to use a different bottle or jar here, but if you like to, you may do so. And for shooting purposes, I will take off the label on the Worker in a bit. Next, let's go into the vanilla beans. The vanilla beans I bought are of this brand. Vanilla beans have different grades and it is important that we buy good quality vanilla beans. Beans which are shiny, moist, plump, and can be bent around your finger easily. My experience is, when I was just learning how to make vanilla extract, I bought a pack of cheap vanilla beans. The price of 10 pots was the same as the price of 2 good quality vanilla pots. At that time, I made 2 bottles of vanilla extract, and it turned out that the vanilla with 10 vanilla pots is far less rich and mellow than only 2. Therefore, there is a difference. Hence I say, choose wisely. Now, after we've done preparing the ingredients, we'll need to hold the vanilla beans on a clean cutting board with one hand and slice it lengthwise with a sharp knife. Do note, we may not be able to slice the vanilla bean open at once. So do follow the knife marks and make a few more strokes to cut open the bean. Once we are done, we'll need to place the splitted vanilla beans directly into the Worker and screw the bottle cap on tightly. Then, place the bottle in a cool and dry place for at least 3 days until the color darkens. There are a few points to take note here. First, the vanilla beans must be completely soaked in the Worker. Second, avoid putting the vanilla extract in places which are exposed to sunlight or with a high surrounding temperature, as this may deteriorate the quality of the vanilla extract. Third, make sure you shake the bottle occasionally to allow the vanilla beans to blend more evenly into the Worker. Vanilla extract can be stored at room temperature indefinitely. It will get darker over time and the flavor does get richer. You can also top it up with more vanilla beans and Worker when the vanilla extract is almost used up, and it's a never-ending supply. I have been making my own vanilla extract for years now, and for one, it does make a lot of difference in my baking. Just give it a try. So if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.